Okay, so write down the output when the input is 1. So if 1 goes into this machine, it says then to subtract 9. Okay, so we've got to take 9 away from 1. Okay, that's a bit strange, isn't it? To have to take a larger number away from the number we start with. So we can end up with a negative number, aren't we? So if we start with 1, take away 9, we end up with minus 8, if you think about it. Okay, so minus 8 will come out of the machine once we've subtracted 9. Then it says to divide by 4. So we've got to do minus 8 divided by 4. Don't worry the fact it's minus, just divide by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, isn't it? Okay, and of course it's going to be minus 2. So that's my output, minus 2. Second one then, it says find the output when the input is minus 8. So minus 8 is the input. Okay, it says add 15. So if I add 15, use a number line. Okay, start at minus 8, go to 0, that takes you up 8, doesn't it? And then we need to go another 7. Okay, so we end up being at 7 when we add 15. And then it says to multiply by 3, so we get 21. Okay. Next one then, write down the output when n is the input. So if n is the input, n just represents any number. It says add 7. If you think about it, if I was to add 7 to n, I'd end up with n plus 7, wouldn't I? That's what I'd get out. And we just leave it like that, n plus 7. I don't know what it is, just leave it like that. And then it says to multiply by 4. Okay, so I need to times this by 4. But if I just write times 4, it's not quite going to be right, isn't it? Okay, if I just write times 4. Because if I write times 4 here, like this, then all I'm doing is timesing the 7 by the 4, if you think about it. Okay, but I've got to times all of this by 4, haven't I? Okay, I've got to times the n by 4 as well, not just the 7. So what I do is I put a bracket around it, okay, to show that I'm timesing 4 by all of it. Okay, and that's your answer. Now, in terms of maybe writing this a bit neater, maybe we put the 4 at the front, okay, and we get our answer there. Last one then on this question. Write down the output when the input is n again. So in this case now n, it says subtract 4, so I'll take away 4. And then, right, it says, right, n minus 4, it says to divide by 6. So we've got to divide all of it by 6. Now, if you were to write divide by 6 here, okay, again, we'd have the same problem as last time. You'd just be dividing the 4 by 6, okay? So we'd need to put a bracket around it, all right, like that. Or better way, instead of using a bracket, you could just write it like that. So you're dividing the whole thing by 6 and showing it that way, okay? Either way is acceptable.